Hi, I'd like to introduce Enter My Horse software, a new software that will totally change the way you run horse shows. We have these wonderful new features that you are going to love that are not found in some of the other show programs. We'll have messaging, exhibitor portals for draws and results, and then multiple show secretary input. Come join me as I take you through this wonderful software and show you how easy and simple it is to set it up as well as use. Welcome to Enter My Horse. Okay, here's our setup for the horse show. It's pretty simple. You have 6 basic areas you'll be using. You're going to set up your show. After you finish setting up your show and you get ready to enter, you're going to go right here and enter your horses and your exhibitors. This is where you'll make your draws. This is where you'll do your scoring, and here's where you'll find some of your reports. This last one is where you're going to do some special things, and I'll go in explain those to you in just a few minutes. But this is the main screen that you'll see when you log into the show program. So the first place you're going to want to go is going to be here at the Setup EMH. Okay, we're going to use the Setup EMH in File Management. This is where you will go to download your NRHA data. We will be storing it on the server. All of the membership information will be stored on the server, and you'll just hit download, and that'll bring it all into your system. And so you will be able to work real time, as current as what NRHA has given us access to upload onto our server. This is going to be very helpful if you have any questions about membership, expiration dates, what level of membership they have. You'll be able to look in here, and that's going to help relieve any issues you might have had in the past with errors allowing someone to show in a non-pro class that didn't have a non-pro status. So we're really excited about this. Also, right here you will find messaging. This is a system that you will type a message out in here, and it will send it out to everybody that you have entered into the service and wants to receive messages during this show. Now I'm going to show you just a little bit about the program itself and the ease of use. So we've already put all of our information in the show setup. I'll go ahead and click on that. That really fast, give you an idea. Our show is called an event, so I'm going to click on the event I've already entered, which is my sample. I've entered all the information that I needed, the manager, the rep, the contact, and I'm going to update the event, and we're done. Pretty simple. Okay, the next thing we do is we set up the show. This is where we get the show numbers from NRHA or AQHA, any of the governing bodies. This is where they go in. After we've done that, then we go to class setup. And right here is where we enter our classes. I've got 3 classes entered for this show so far. Okay, now we're going to go right here to entering the horse and rider information. You're going to click on the enter horse. It takes just a few minutes for it to pull all that data up, so give it just a minute. And here you're going to choose your event, and this is where you're going to put in your horse competition license number or the horse name. And then after you do that, you do the back number. You can see right here I've already entered a few horses. Boom. You've got Benjamin Banjo owned by Joe Verser. You're going to double check your owner right here, and after you've put in your responsible party here, you go on and update your exhibitor, and that horse is entered. Next we're going to put him in some classes. Here's the classes that are available. He's already been registered, so he's in class 1 and class 2. After that, we do our show fees. This is done by quantity. We've already entered the amount in our setup screen, so we're just going to say how many they're using. Fill out all this information. That goes to your billing section. So pretty self-explanatory, flows very easy. The next thing we're going to talk about is the draws. Once we've got everybody entered, draws come next. Okay, so here we are at the draws. I'm going to enter or click on it, and then click on our show and the available class. Boom, we've already chosen this class. So here you have your working order. If you'd like to put it in actual working order, click the word draw. Now you've got it in working order. Let's say you want to sort it by back number. Click right there. Now you've got a numerical back number. You can also sort it by the horse's name or by the rider's last name. So there's 4 different ways. If you need some information, it's quick and easy to find. Okay, next we're going to show you scoring. Okay, our scoring is done right here. After the class is run, you're going to choose your event again, choose your class number, and then click here on horse. He was our first horse in our class. Click all the way through, enter all of your results, update, and it will generate your results. To print out your results, you're going to go to a different screen. We'll take you there now. Okay, so we're going to go here to our reports button, click on it, and this is where you're going to find your reports for your draws. You're going to click on draw, tell it the event and the class number, hit generate report, and as you see, here's my draw. Click on it, there's your draw list. Next option is your scorecard. We're going to need that, same thing. Click on the event, the class you need, report, and here is your scorecard. And the next thing we'll need from this area is going to be your results. Same thing, you're going to hit your event you're in, the class number, generate report, and here's your report over here, and here is your results. From here you can just hit print and you're done. Your results are ready to go. Now when you're generating each of these reports, they are also going to a website, the Enter My Horse website, and your exhibitors will be getting them instantly. They'll get a message that you type in saying that the draws are up or the results are up. You don't have to do anything other than hit generate, and those results will go automatically up to the website. Okay, so throughout this video I've been telling you that your draws and your results are going to go up onto the website automatically. I'm going to take you to that website. It's www.entermyhorse.com. And when you get there, it looks something like this. It could change over time, but you want your draws, you're going to click here on draws, and lo and behold, there's our draw for class 1 open. And same thing with our results. You're going to click here and it's going to be uploaded for you, and here's all your results. So pretty much that's how simple it's going to be. Okay, so that's a brief summary of the show program, things it can do. And as you can see, we built a very powerful yet easy to use horse show program with built-in features that exhibitors love and want to have. Now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost for this software? We are doing our best to keep this as low as we can and keeping the target price down. We've offered a monthly subscription, which will be $89 a month, which if you only have 2 shows a year, that's 2 months. But if you're someone like myself who does several shows a year throughout the year, I'm going to purchase the yearly subscription, and that's available at $749. If you have any further questions or concerns about the show program, please feel free to contact me at entermyhorse@gmail.com, or you may call me at 228-697-2119, and I'll be glad to answer any of your questions that you might have concerning the Enter My Horse software. I look forward to hearing from you and hearing about your comments. Thank you and have a wonderful day.